Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aida Amira binti Yunus Jazmi and my ID number is 12205048181. For these individual assignments, I have chosen one case study that related to the construction safety. The title for the case study is Crane Accident at the Construction Site. So now I will explain the background of the case studies. Based on the research that I refers, it has contained one problem that we focus. It is regarding to the accident that faced by the contractor. According Edward 2016, 2 people were died on the spot due to a pie driver tipped over onto a busy road and crashing their car in Setia Alam. They detected that ground at the site may have waterlogged, or despite carrying the capacity that decreasing after the rain. Because of that, the crane plugged into the sand and lost their balance. So now I will explain the second part of the video, which about the method that we use to assess the event. For this part, there is 2 data that we collected, which primary and secondary. For the primary, they gather the information by a quantitative approach, which distribute the questionnaires to the contractor at the site. And secondary, they're referring to the journals, papers, and news that related with the accident. For primary method, they distribute all the questionnaires to the constructions at the site that experience with high-risk project. It's focusing on the crane hazard that happened at construction site. This method is to identify the conditions of their employee, whether they experience serious body injury, permanent disability, or fatality. The last part of the video, I will explain the safety practices of the cranes to prevent accidents. First, select the right crane for the job, either the mobile cranes or the fixed cranes. Secondly, always utilize qualified personnel. This is because competent persons have more knowledge to control the crane in crucial conditions. Lastly, read the operator's manuals. The manual must be referred because it includes load capacity, safety mechanism, and operator controls. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye!